Hello guys, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. So now this video is about text justification, problem 68. So given an array of strings, words, and the width, max width, format the text such that each line has exactly max width characters and is fully left and right justified. If you don't know what text justification is like on Microsoft Word, you have a line to the left, a line to the right, center, and then there's one that has all the lines with the same space, with the same size, length. Similar to this icon, that's text justification. And we should pack as many words as we can in each line and then pad the extra spaces. The extra spaces should be the same between each word. If not possible, the words on the left get priority to the ones on the right. So they get more space on the left than the spaces between words on the right. And these are the examples. You get a array of strings and a max width. And I already wrote some code. So the code that I wrote is here. And what it does is it prints stuff like this. It gets the input and the max width and just splits them in the right places. So science is what we understand well enough to explain to a computer, artists, everything else we do. Okay, so it's the same. I'm doing this well. So I am actually going to have like a accumulator, like final strings. It's going to be a list of strings that starts empty. But I'm going to create another function is called justify line, and it's going to be self and words as well, which is a list of strings, and also max width, same thing. But instead of returning a list of strings, I think I'm just going to return a string, because our final thing is a list of strings. So this one justifies one, returns a string, and appends to the final strings. So what's it going to do? Let me just put a breakpoint here. And at the moment that I'm printing, I'm going to do final strings dot append self dot justify line of accum words max width equals max width. So let's run and debug. Okay, I'm here. So these are my words. Science is what we. And if we look here, pretty much what it did is it added extra space here and here. So let's look at this. Length of words combined is going to be the sum of the length of x for x in words. Let's just look at this. Let's run on the debugger. So the length of words combined is 15 and the max width is 20. So we have space for 5 white spaces and minus the length of words, because I'm already subtracting the length of words minus 1 actually. I'm already subtracting the white spaces that are going to be necessary. So what I need to do here is, let me just run this again. So how many space do we have for, plus, actually, length of words combined. So we have 18, so we have only room for 2 extra white spaces. which makes sense because there's one white space here, one white space here. Okay then, so that being said, I'm going to make it simple and I'm going to add to the words, I'm going to replace x plus, no, I'm not going to do that. Okay, I know what to do. So, for I in range, length of words can max width minus length of words combined. So for I in range 2, I'm going to say words of index I plus equals a white space in the end. So let me run this code. So if we look at words now, it's science with a white space in the end is white space in the end, and the other ones don't have a white space in the end. So I'm just going to return a white space dot join all the words. So I already added the extra white spaces to the words, and I'm just going to add a white space to all of them now. I return it, and I think that's it. And at the end, the last line doesn't need to have, as far as I remember from the description, is the last line doesn't need to have anything. For the last line of text, it should be left justified and no extra spaces inserted between words. Cool. So, if words final strings dot append just this dot join words, and then return final strings. Let's see what it returns. Words of I. Oh, right. I made a mistake. This made sense if length of word. Okay. I'll do it differently. So we have two cases. One case is that we don't have enough extra white spaces to all of the words, which is extra white spaces. If extra white spaces is smaller than length of words, we do this. Else, we do something else. What is that else? What can we do? So then we try to add them equally. This is not that easy. Could be easier. So what we need here is to see extra white spaces divided by 2. Integer division. Not divided by length of words, of course. And now we know how many white spaces go to each one of them. White space length for each string. And then we do that for in range length of words, we just add the white space times this. And now we check for the remainder. So this is the remainder of the division. If remainder, then the remainder, and we pretty much just add one extra white space. For I in range remainder, and that's it. Science is what we... Oh yeah, I can't add white spaces to the last one. So we need to divide by the number of words minus 1. So let's try again. Final strings. I still added. Let's see. White spaces, length for each set, so 5. In length, words minus 1. Yeah. Final strings. Seems good to me. I'm going to submit it. Pray for me, people. Oh, I added to the last one? Weird. Okay, maybe I just need to check if it's... I should not do this like immediately. I should wait to the end to do this. Justification. Oh, I still need to add the padding. Final strings out of the join. Actually, if you queue words, last line equals this. If last line, okay, final strings dot append last line plus white space times the length of last line, max width minus the length of last line. Let's see. Yeah, now it matches. Submit. Zero division error. When? What must be acknowledgement shall be. And it was 16. Where did I divide by 0? So what do we do here on the acknowledgement? Oh. Okay, edge case, if length of words equals 1, then return words of 0 Same thing as I did here. Plus or max width minus length of word 0. Let's see. Which shall be. Okay, runtime was pretty good. Memory was, well, okay, let's just submit again and see if it gets better. Hopefully it does. Well, both are agreeing now. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.